Hi students, I am Naresh. Welcome to my channel Jet I Teach. Exercise 2.2. Before solving the questions in this exercise, we can have a look at examples first. Okay. Now you can see example 2. Okay, example 2 in the polynomial. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, you need to find out the zeros for the given quadratic equation and then you need to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Okay, I will write the given polynomial. X square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, now you need to find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, to find the zeros of polynomial, assume its value is 0. Okay, assume its value is 0. Okay, I will write the polynomial now. X square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, why I am assuming this polynomial is 0? The value of x at which the polynomial becomes 0, that is called 0 of the polynomial. So I make it 0 now. So we need to write 7x as a factors. Okay, need to write it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, okay, equal to 0. Okay, here a equal to 1, b equal to 7, c equal to 10. Okay, you need to find product of a and c. A into c equal to 1 into 10 equal to 10. Okay, now b is 10. Okay, b is 7. Okay, we need to write 10 and 7 in the form of two integers. Okay, both the numbers should be write in the form of same two integers. Okay, 10 you can write as 2 into 5. 7 is like 2 plus 5. Okay, a and c value you may need to write like this. It is a main important step to solve this problem. Now you can write this as x square plus 2x plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, you can take common terms out. Okay, here x is the common x, so x into x square plus here 2. Okay, in this term Sorry, it is 5x. Okay, in this time 5 is common, so x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so again in both the terms x plus 2 is common. X plus 2, I wrote x here 5. Okay, equal to 0. Now, okay, how this term will be 0? Either this term or this term will be 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So here x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 5. Therefore, zeros are minus 2 and minus 5. Okay, if the value is minus 2 or minus 5, this polynomial will become 0. Okay, these are the zeros of this polynomial. Here also we know that, right, sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a, right? So you know that, right? So what is the value of minus b by a? So minus 7 by 1, here 10 by 1. Okay, I will let you know why I wrote here. So in the question they are asked like the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Okay, you can find the sum of zeros. Okay, what's the sum of zeros? Sum of zeros equal to minus 2 and minus 5. What is this value? Minus 7. Okay. Okay, also sum of the zeros is like from here you can write like, okay, minus 7 you need to write as minus 7 by 1. Okay, why I wrote like that, minus 7 by 1. Here if you see minus 7 by 1, even both are same. Okay, now minus, what is 7? 7 is nothing but b. What is b? Coefficient of x. I will write that. Coefficient of x divided by, what is 1? It's a coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Okay, sum of roots equal to, sum of zeros equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Now you can see another observation, that is the product of zeros. Okay, what's the product of zeros? Again minus 2 into minus 5 equal to 10. Minus minus plus 2 into 5, 10. 10, how we can write? 10 by 1. Here I wrote, right? Product of zeros, 10 by 1. What is 10 here? C means constant term. Divide by 1. What is 1 here? A. A means coefficient of x square. Okay. This is the relation between the zeros and coefficients of x are constant term. Okay, I will explain this once. I wrote the given polynomial. After that, to find the zeros of the polynomial, I assumed its value. Polynomial value is 0. Okay, after that, I found out the zeros of this polynomial. I got -2 and -5. So in this main important step is like splitting the x term. Okay, I explained how to split it. Okay, after that I got the zeros of this polynomial. I found sum of zeros, so which is same as minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So I wrote product of zeros. It is nothing but constant term by coefficient of x square. So product of zeros, okay, constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay, example 3. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, I will write the given polynomial. Here there is no x term. Okay, if there is no x term, you can use the different formula to solve this one. Okay, I will write the formula. It is very familiar and you will know this formula for sure. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this formula everyone will know. Okay, to find the zeros of this polynomial, first you can assume its value is 0. Okay, to find the zeros of polynomial, assume its value is 0. So I can write like x square minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now you can write this like x square minus root 3 whole square equal to 0. Similarly, it is in the form of a square minus b square form. So you can write this as a plus b, a minus b form. So x plus root 3 into x minus root 3 equal to 0. Okay, which means that x plus root 3 is 0 or x minus root 3 is 0. Okay, if you look at this one, value of x is minus root 3. Okay, here x equal to plus root 3. Okay, now therefore zeros are minus root 3 and root 3. Okay, minus root 3 and root 3. Okay, what's the general form of polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, here a value is 1, b is 0, c is minus 3. Okay, now what's the sum of roots? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Minus b is 0, a is 1. Okay, now alpha into beta equal to c by a, right? What is c here? Minus 3, a is 1. Okay, now we can write some observation or relationship between zeros and coefficients. Sum of zeros okay, sum of zeros minus root 3 plus root 3. What's the value? It's 0. It is nothing but sum of roots. You can write as 0 by 1, right? You can write 0 by 1. Okay, 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 means minus b by a. Minus b means okay, minus of b means coefficient of x. One. What is 1? 1 means here a. A means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Okay, one thing. So other thing, product of zeros. Now we can find the product of zeros. So product of zeros is minus root 3 into minus root 3 into 3. You will get minus will come and root 3 into root 3 you will get 3. What is minus 3? You can write like minus 3 by minus 3 by 1. Okay, if you look at these two terms, same. Okay, now write minus. What is 3 here? 3 means c. C means coefficient of not the coefficient, it's a constant term. Minus 3 is a constant term. Constant term divided by 1. 1 means a means coefficient of x square. Okay, product of zeros means constant term by coefficient of x square.